How do you use baking soda to kill bed bugs fast? Keep your home bug-free. The ultimate guide to using baking soda against bed bugs. Keeping your home bug-free is nearly impossible, but that doesn't mean you can't try your hardest to make it possible. Discovering an infestation of bugs can be pretty disturbing, and one of the worst creatures of all is the notorious bedbug. These tiny pests have an uncanny ability to sense body heat emitting from humans and animals, as well as the carbon dioxide you exhale. This means they'll be able to detect you in a room, usually when you're asleep, and take enjoyment from biting your skin all over. Bedbugs survive by feasting on human blood, which is as disgusting as it is frustrating. Who gave them permission to invade your personal space, take your blood, and leave you with itchy bumps all over your skin? You certainly didn't. So, it's time to show them who's boss and get rid of them as quickly as you can. Why choose Natural Remedies? Luckily, you don't have to resort to toxic chemicals that could harm your home and family to eliminate bed bugs. There are plenty of natural methods that prove just as effective, with one of the most popular options being baking soda. But what exactly is baking soda? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is an ingredient that most of us have in our cupboards for those frequent baking emergencies. Being completely natural, it's one of the safest cleaning formulas you can use in your home. It's safe to eat and won't irritate your skin when it comes into contact with it. Generally, baking soda is a better alternative for getting rid of bed bugs than most commercial products, which often contain chemical pesticides that can be toxic to both humans and pests. How does baking soda work? So, how does baking soda work when you're trying to control a pest? In this case, bed bugs. Baking soda works in a number of fascinating ways. 1. Digestion. While baking soda is perfectly safe for consumption by humans, it's a different story for insects. When baking soda warms up, such as during digestion, it changes composition and breaks down its chemical bonds. This causes it to release carbon dioxide in gas form, which can burst the lining of a bedbug's intestines, effectively killing them. 2. Exoskeleton damage. Believe it or not, the tiny grains of baking soda are actually quite sharp. In many cases, they can be sharp enough to cut into the underside of a bedbug's exoskeleton. This damage can ultimately lead to the insect's demise. 3. Dehydration. One of baking soda's most useful properties is its ability to absorb odors and moisture. When you sprinkle baking soda over a bedbug-infested area, it sucks the water out of any insects it comes into contact with, dehydrating the bedbugs to the point of death. What's remarkable is that bedbugs don't even need to ingest the baking soda for this to happen. Simple contact with the powder is enough to do the trick. How to use baking soda on bedbugs? There are 3 effective methods to utilize baking soda against bedbugs. 1. Baking soda paste. To create a paste, mix baking soda with water in a bowl until you achieve a consistency similar to honey. Then, use a brush to paint the paste wherever bedbugs might hide, such as on mattresses, springs, couches, and armchairs. Make sure to get into all holes, crevices, and cracks. Every few days, vacuum up the dried paste and start again until your infestation is gone. 2. Baking soda sprinkle. Simply take a handful of baking soda and sprinkle a layer around your furniture and inside cracks and small spaces. Vacuum up and repeat every 3 days. Remember, using a vacuum is essential for removing bed bugs from your home instantly. By doing this daily, you'll catch the bugs that come out of hiding. 3. Baking soda piles. Bed bugs are incredibly sneaky. They can hide in places other than your bed and then crawl up the legs of your bed frame to get to you. To prevent this, create piles of baking soda around the legs of your bed and couch. The bugs would have to crawl through these piles to reach you, helping to keep them at bay. The bottom line. Baking soda is one of the safest and most natural ways to remove bedbugs from your home. This simple ingredient demonstrates that there's no need to resort to harmful chemicals to eliminate these pests. Keep in mind that bedbug infestations are among the hardest to fully eradicate. If used correctly and frequently, baking soda can kill bedbugs, although it won't do so instantly. You'll need to stay diligent with your application, but the upside is that you won't have any dangerous chemicals lingering around your home. In conclusion, by employing the natural power of baking soda, you can effectively combat bedbugs while keeping your home safe for you and your loved ones. So roll up your sleeves, grab that box of baking soda, and take the fight to those pesky invaders. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.